What's up, guys? Chief Beast aka Noah back today bringing another video. This time we're doing round 8, I think I found out, of the Snkrflea mystery boxes. If you guys have watched any of the previous 7, you know that I haven't gotten a golden ticket mystery box yet. So hopefully today's the one, because I would like to be done with it. Not be done with it, but at least know that I've won one for the first time ever. So hopefully today's the day. This one's actually a little different. All the other ones are normally like Antisocial Social Club with like some other stuff thrown in. This is actually going to be the May mystery box, which is going to have like band tees in it, so you can get like band hip hop tees or something like that. So hopefully we get something cool, something different, which I was happy about because I've gotten so many Antisocial Social Club shirts. I'm wearing one right now that I didn't really want to get the same thing over and over again. So hopefully this is a little different. I don't know what the value of this stuff is going to be. I'll try to find some stuff and then post it on the screen while you guys are watching and show you guys the counter. There should be 2 shirts in here, and hopefully something decent. I believe like $10 of this mystery box, whenever you purchased it, will go to charity, which is pretty cool. I like that they do that. But the main prize for this one is the MCA Air Force Ones and the UNC Jordan Ones, both off-whites. So hopefully I get one of those. I'd be really happy with anything. Like I said, I haven't gotten anything in the 7 other times I've done it. Technically 8, because there was like a little sticker one that was only like $10 and all went to charity, but that was fine. I didn't really care too much. But hopefully this is the one. Hopefully the shirts are cool. I don't really care too much for band shirts, but hopefully it's something cool. I also read they're not vintage, so it's not like you're getting like an older shirt. I think they're newer, so we'll see. But let's just get into the unboxing. Got the trusty Supreme knife. Hopefully don't cut myself, because that'd be bad. But like I said, 2 shirts in here, and hopefully a golden ticket mystery or golden ticket in here. Looks like there's just both together. I want to like save some surprise potentially. I ordered them in XXL just because I didn't know the sizing. I thought they might be a little older, but I realized they're not. This one, first one, Iron Maiden, the Number of the Beast. Probably won't be wearing it. Probably will be selling this on some website. I don't really know where I sell things anymore. I still have my Grailed link down below. But Iron Maiden, obviously, cool one if you like that, but not my style, so probably not going to be wearing that one. The next one is also, just so you guys know, I don't think I won unless it's hiding in this one. But next one is a Guns N' Roses shirt. What's the bottom say? I can't read it backwards. Let's just put it down. So next one, Guns N' Roses, is Appetite for Destruction. I don't really know anything about either of these 2 bands. I know Guns N' Roses more than I know Iron Maiden. But looks like for the 8th time in a row, we haven't won again. So maybe the end for a little bit until I can maybe buy some more, because 0 for 8 is not the greatest. But the shirts are cool. They're actually a better quality than I thought they were going to be, especially since they weren't like vintage. So I was thinking they were going to kind of be like lower quality, but they're not bad. I don't really know. This one just says Guns N' Roses, so maybe they're just like straight up from the actual band, which is kind of cool. But I don't know values. I imagine they're at least $30 each, which makes your money back since it was only $59.99 for the box. But again, Iron Maiden, Guns N' Roses. So if you're interested in them, let me know in the comments below. But if you guys actually picked up this mystery box, let me know in the comments if you guys got anything. Like I said, 0 for 8 now, so we're really struggling with the Snkrflea mystery boxes. We'll debate on if I want to keep doing them, just because 0 for 8's a lot, and I haven't sold a ton of stuff just because I like some of the shirts I got, but I haven't sold a lot just because I'm kind of lazy about doing that. So once I start selling stuff, I'll let you guys know, and there'll be a link to wherever I'm selling them in the description. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys got below if you did pick up the mystery box again. And other than that, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.